Hello and welcome back to Shoni's World. Today we're making Teeta Chechki. Now what I've been trying to do is document my family recipes. So when I was in DC this Christmas, I filmed my sister cooking Teeta Chechki. I've got my version of Teeta Chechki on this channel as well, but this one is the one that she follows my mum's recipe. So there's music playing and I'll just be doing a quick voiceover. It starts with the preparation. The vegetables have already been chopped up. Anyway, if you like my videos, remember to like them, remember to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and Happy New Year again. Pan of oil, 2 tablespoons. Put in a couple of medium-sized onions and bitter gourd sliced as it's shown, and you need to fry this in a couple of tablespoons of oil till it is quite well done. The Karela needs to be almost black when you do this. I have also said that you put in a teaspoon of Nigella Seeds and a couple of Green Chillies to start with. Then you put the onions, and then you put the Karela, bitter gourd, as is being shown now. And you got to keep frying it like now. It's nice and getting darker. And now we're going to put in the pumpkin. The quantity of pumpkin, is twice the amount of the Karela. Salt is to taste. Next, the turmeric goes in. And then the chili powder. Now we're going to give all this a stir, and then we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook in its own steam. Finally, we are going to put some sugar right at the end, and then when you serve it, you can serve it with a couple of tablespoons of fresh coriander chopped and sprinkled on top. And there you have it. That is the yummiest Teeta Chechki ever.